In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into how you can effectively communicate with your team using this platform. First, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. This is where you can view all of your boards and projects, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, to begin chatting, you'll want to select a specific board where your project or task is located. Boards on Monday.com are organized spaces where you manage your workflows and tasks, so it's crucial to choose the correct one related to the discussion you wish to have. Now that you've chosen a board, it's time to open the chat feature. Look for the chat bubble icon, which is typically located next to an item on the board or in a noticeable spot. Clicking this icon will open the communication window, allowing you to start a conversation. This interface is quite user-friendly and adapted for instant messaging, so you won't have trouble finding your way around. Once the communication window is open, you'll see a text field ready for you to type in your message. Here, you can write your update, question, or comment. Keep your messages clear and concise to facilitate smooth communication with your team. It's always a good idea to provide enough context so that your colleagues know exactly what you're referring to. If you want to make sure a specific team member sees your message, you can use the mention feature. Just type @ followed by their name. This is a helpful tool to ensure that the person you're addressing is notified directly, which increases the chances of your message being prioritized and responded to promptly. After you've crafted your message and included any necessary mentions, you're ready to send the update. Look for the Update button, usually located near the text field, and give it a click to publish your message. Now your team members can see what you've sent and the conversation can continue from there. To keep the communication efficient, remember to check back for any responses or updates from your colleagues. Monday.com allows for collaborative efforts, and utilizing the chat feature effectively enhances teamwork and keeps everyone aligned with the project goals. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to communicate seamlessly with your team on Monday.com, ensuring that everyone stays informed and engaged. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Happy chatting!